Today we're linking up with my buddy Gary. Gary's also from Toronto. What up, Toronto? He rented a house here, so we're gonna go check it out. I'm not sure how much it is. We'll ask him. We'll get into all the details. But yeah. Gary. There's Gary.
Yo. Hey. Yo, I'm shy. No.
Janny. Him and his wife.
Girlfriend.
Okay, first stop, Gary's buying some water off the street.
Yo, we're finding cheap water. Oh no, he's going.
Gary loves a deal.
Yo. So in Thailand, when you see trucks selling shit, it's 10 times cheaper.
Gary getting deals on water.
Hey, thank you.
Fucking Gary. So where are we going first, Gary?
Find propane.
Propane. Gary needs propane for his stove because they don't have gas lines or some shit.
They don't have anything.
We'll see.
They don't have a washing machine.
Gary was also promised a washing machine, but he didn't get one.
Oh.
Propane, Gary, propane.
มีแค่เตาแต่ไม่มีอะไรเลย
อ๋อ งั้นก็ต้องสาย สายก็อยู่ที่เมตรละ80
I don't know what's going on. Let's see it, bud. Open up. Okay, so we got the living room here. Sweet TV. Little couch.
A little messy.
Nice.
The kitchen table. Got a little room for Tony to sleep in.
First bedroom here.
Don't mind the bras.
มีแคม
Kitchen. It's got like this little door thing. I don't know. Little window.
So it doesn't stink up the house when you cook.
Fish. Here's Gary's
เรา
Gas stove without gas.
stove without gas.
Apparently, it
That's
was
right.
electric.
We got the gas.
It was electric before we came. And then they said, oh, there's a gas stove. There's a little laundry room here with no washing machine, which they also said that they were going to get, but never
Laundry
showed up.
room. No washing machine. Washing machine goes there, I assume. Wow, look at that tile. It's aggressive tile. That's where Gary talked to his boyfriend. Janny,
ฮัลโหล
what area is this? The house is in. What do you call the area?
บ้าน
Ban.
บ้านเช่า
Ban Chao.
yes
That's where we're at. Ban Chao.
บ้านเช่า
Okay.
Alright, Tony, come, upstairs. Alright, Tony, welcome to the second floor. There's no fan there, which is really weird.
So the second bathroom with a built-in shower beside the other dumper.
Yeah, just no fan, so.
Oh, we got 3 more bedrooms in here. This is the master, I guess. What are you hiding, Gary? Gary's hiding his wall bangers.
Wall bangers, there you go. Everything is good. This is the master.
There you go. Pretty good size. Gary living in luxury over here.
Is that right? Tony's second room.
Yep.
If you ever want to sleep here. Same shit.
And then the last room.
But yeah, this is the baby room for my baby on rent.
Cool.
Man boobs.
So how much does this place cost, Gary? Give me the baht.
15,000 baht
15,000 baht a month,
a month.
which
570 Canadian.
is 570 Canadian.
Which is dirt cheap. Dirt cheap.
570 Canadian a month for a 4-bedroom house, fully furnished. Shit.
Yeah. Come to Thailand.
Okay, that it with the propane. Nice. Gary,
What?
propane.
What about
Propane was 3,300 baht
3,300
for the tank, the regulator,
install.
install.
If it was 2 to 300, I think.
2 to 300 baht to refill. It's a regular sized tank. Gary, these diapers for you, bud?
Babies on route. Hey, I love you.
Gary's going full dad mode.
So how is this one?
Want it?
What? I eat already. These ones.
Okay.
Pretty good, actually.
Not bad, not bad.
49 baht.
49 baht. Deal.
Going up.
Chocolate koalas. What the fuck is this thing?
Open for
Oh, like a fruit peeler?
yeah.
It's a weird looking fruit peeler.
Man.
Come on, Gary.
Yeah, you're dead, man. You're dead to me.
Where is it?
What the? Stay away from my home.
Oh, fuck, Gary. You got him. He's freaking out.
Yeah, man, you're dead. You're dead to me.
Sorry, bud.
Oh, look at that.
Fucking Gary. Congrats on the new house, bud. Looks pretty dope.
Thanks. It was only 3 million baht. If you buy it.
Where are we going now, Gary?
Jomtien.
For what?
Mookata.
Mookata barbecue. Alright, we're at the Mookata spot. Basically, there's all this different kinds of food. Some of it's cooked, some of it you gotta cook yourself. But there's a huge selection of food. You can just go pick what you want, bring it back to the table, and they set up these little barbecue things. And you just throw the food on top of there, and you start cooking. It's cool, and it's like all you can eat. How much is this one? 340 baht for all you can eat. That's including the drink? We just finished the Mookata. You full?
No.
Pregnant.
Pregnant.
Gary's pregnant too. Look at these boobs.
Oh, man, boob.